welcome there. How's it going?
It's good. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Come on in. This is Bukit Vista.
Hey, where are you now, Jing?
Well, I'm at the Bukit Vista Bali base now.
Before you go on, What is Bukit Vista?
Bukit Vista is a hospitality management company. So essentially what we do is we go out and find properties that are unique and interesting. We put them online and we get travelers to experience local accommodations when they come to Bali, Jogja, or some of the other places where we have operations.
Interesting. So this is the base of Bukit Vista, right?
Yes, this is our Bali base. Correct.
Can we go in?
Come on in. I'll show you around. So let's bring you to this area first. This is generally where we get our work done. We do reservation work, data analysis. This is Tableau, which shows our data stats. This is something that myself and the rest of the team can look at any time to see how the health of the company is. Let's see what else is kind of cool. We got all these external monitors here. They're good because we all have MacBooks, and so when we need a little bit more of screen real estate, we can plug into that, and it's easier on the eyes, and also we can get things done. We got a music system over here. You can just tell Google, "Hey Google, play some Brazilian bossa nova," and then that signal gets sent over here, and
okay, here's a Spotify playlist called Bossa Nova, playing on Bukit Vista Town Hall.
Yeah, and that basically sets the ambiance. Can I get you a drink?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
What do you have here?
What do we have? We have some lime-infused water right now, and this is one of our little innovations. We decided to make the space a little bit more healthy by doing infused water. Here you go, Vita.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll get one for myself too as well. So, let's see. Yeah, this is the. It's a little bit late in the afternoon now.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yes. Welcome to the Bali base. So this area is where we have our drinks and stuff. We got all these baskets holding a bunch of our I don't know. These are blocks that my daughter plays with. There's a PlayStation 4 over here. We've hidden it away since it got to be a little bit distracting. But sometimes late at night we'll have Mortal Kombat tournaments. Pretty fun.
Interesting.
Yeah, here's a bunch of the boxes from all the
I see
MacBooks
that you
that we
got
bought.
pets as well here, yeah?
We do, yes. This is Loki. Loki's been with us
Hi,
since the
Loki.
beginning. Yeah. Loki is, we're pet friendly. So we got cats, dogs, and all kinds of other creatures that scamper about Bukit Vista.
Creatures, interesting.
Yeah.
What else do you got in this office?
What else have we got? Okay, so generally speaking, we've got a lot of collaboration spaces. This is the main hall, so it tends to be the most noisy. This is a meeting desk where we usually have meetings. We have offices in Jogja, and just Jogja right now. So whenever we do a collaboration meeting, it's a little bit good to get everyone around the same table. We got a whiteboard here where we discuss big ideas about changing the world of hospitality. This was our discussion today about digital marketing and content and all these other trends. This is our kitchen. This is where we got snacks to nourish ourselves when we're feeling hungry. There's coffee, toast. Somebody unplugged the toaster, I'm not sure why. But anyways, we work until pretty late sometimes, so it's good to have that food around. And the fridge has, it's just like a family fridge. So we cook twice daily now, lunch and dinner. And our team comes in here to make us food. This is the stove where all this delicious food is made. Come on in the back, I'll bring you to see the garden. So this is the back office area. Let's see what's special about this space. We got a little bit of garden. This is a Carolina Reaper. So this produces one of the world's spiciest chilies. There's one right here, if you can see that. Yeah, it's a little baby Reaper. That is one of the world's hottest chili peppers. We did a chili eating contest one time.
I can feel the Balinese vibes here, yeah? With these Balinese altars.
Yeah, definitely.
Interesting.
Yeah. So my wife and co-founder is Balinese, and a third of our company is also Balinese, so pay homage to Balinese culture here. We got this sign here just in case everyone forgets where they work. So that's just a little reminder. Got a bunch of cooking equipment because we like to cook. We like to think that hospitality and food do have this very charming relationship. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, this is where we had lunch. Let's see if there's anything left right now. Yes, we still got some food here. We got some opor ayam, some bergedel jagung, and some orap. So always something to snack on here at Bukit Vista. Come with me. I'll bring you to see the rest. Yeah, there's some other stuff that's pretty cool. So our teams work in different rooms. Currently, most of the hosts right now are out in the field, so they're not here. But let me kind of bring you to the squad one room. Yeah. So, hi Tika, how you doing? We're filming here. So, anyways, this is the squad one room. Let me just adjust that a little bit. So, all the monitors are connected to Chromecast. That helps us have meetings that, sort of gets a little extra screen space. We have these, which are little portable Bose units. They make the room really loud, but it also gives kind of a single track to all the teams working here. This is our secret closet where all the camera equipment is. So this is where we go by and we take photographs, videos, and produce all the content that people see on our websites and on Airbnb and wherever else they might book an accommodation.
Nice.
Cool? Like that? Okay. Oh yeah, let me show you one of these. These are some of my favorite little tools. This is an aluminium rain stand. This is here so that when you're working, it helps give a little lift to the laptop. I think this one belongs actually to my daughter. And it's just a little bit easier to work that way then.
It looks like this office is being sponsored by Apple, huh?
I don't know about that, but yeah, we do buy a lot of Apple equipment because I think Apple's very startup friendly and their equipment is reliable. But since we do spend a lot of time on our computers, we want to work with the best. Let me bring you to the next room over here. This is the squad 2 room. Okay, all right, I think there's some real live action happening here.
So maybe
This
can
is
you,
Ara. She's interviewing somebody right now.
us in the first place?
This is Eggy. Eggy
How do
works
you
on
know
market
about
development
Bukit Vista
here.
in the first place?
This is our library. So this is where we read cool books about hospitality and startups and other stuff. So since there is since there are live interviews going on, we better clear out, yeah? But anyways, more equipment, more material. So that's that. Oh, speaking of pets, this is one of our newest pets. This is a little kitty cat that showed up one day, I think.
Such a cute cat.
Yeah, I'm not even sure. I think it's called Gollum. Yeah.
Gollum.
After
Because it looks like Gollum?
Yeah, so it's got big eyes, and it's skinny, and yeah, so that's that. Well, that's pretty much it. We have another base next door. Do you guys want to see that too?
Well, yeah, sure, why not?
Okay, all right, then come with me. I'll bring you around.